Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So I want us to start off analysis for today with the Euro USD. I will move again to GBPUSD. Then we're going to go to USDJPY, and then we'll move to the last instrument, which is one moment. The last instrument I want us to look at is AUDUSD. So we have, let's load it first of all. We have Euro USD on our screen. As you can see, we have Euro USD on our screen. So far there is nothing much happening. For the past few days, we had this move to the upper side. We had a movement to the upper side. Then nothing much happened during this day. Then the following week, we had a big move to the upper side, another big move. Then the price moved upward but ended up in the same place. And we had a simple move, not much movements, but this is a big move. Then not much movements, then there's not much movement. So highly likely we may see a major move today. We may see a major movements today, which could see the price break below, either below the previous day's lowest low or the previous day's highest high. So during this day and possibly in the early morning of tomorrow, we may see a clear breakout above 1.08, 1.08455, which is this line here. If the price can ascend and close above this line, then this will be the ideal place to consider looking for more buy positions, expecting the bars to continue to push us upwards, at least up to around 1.088880. So if the price ascends above this line, we will expect it to continue to the upper side with our target fixed at this price. This is the first target. Then the next target is 1.08880. So we have the first one here. Sorry, we have the first target here. Then the next target is this one. On the lower side, we do have this target, this line. It is actually a very good supportive zone, such that if the price can come back to it, if it doesn't break and close below it, then this will be an ideal place to consider looking for a buy from. So it's a main zone. You can see it. We had like a very good support, resistance. Sorry, we had a resistance. We had a clear breakout. We had a retracement. We had a move to the upside, then a retracement. So as it is right now, if the price can move down and touch this zone within these two lines, then this should give us the ideal place where we want to look for a buy from. We will expect the buyers to come in strongly from around that area, expecting that the buyers are going to push us much higher towards this line. When this is broken, the next line is this one. When this is broken, the next line is this one here. So that's my opinion on Euro USD. The other chart is GBPUSD. So on this chart also, it looks like the price keeps consolidating. Like after this main move here, we've not seen any clear movements in either direction. So we've not had price move upwards or downwards. You can see here. You can see we had a very good converging wedge formation. This is a resistance. This is a resistance. And this is a resistance. This is a resistance. And then we have another support here. We have another support here. And then we have another support here. Then we have a resistance. And then we have a resistance here. So basically speaking, if the price can move up and touch this upper line, this trend line, then this will give us an ideal place to consider looking for a sell from. We will expect the sellers to push us downwards up to this level. So you're supposed to pick a sell within around this area, expecting the sellers to push us downwards with our target at this price. If this target is broken, then the next target is this one. If this is broken, then the next target is this one here. So either you wait for a sell here, expecting the sellers to push us down up to this point, when this is broken, expect a move up to the next level, which is this one. And if this is broken, then our next target is this one here. So basically, that's what we are waiting for. We are expecting a move. We are expecting a move. We are expecting a move to the lower side, up to the target which I've mentioned, which is this target here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart, if you remember some few days ago, we were actually looking for sell positions. Sorry, we are looking for buy position. We are expecting that the price may likely continue to the upper side. But for some reasons, the price keep halting around this resistance zone. So you can see it was used previously as a resistance. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, and we had a very good support here. So basically speaking, we are looking at a very good resistance, which is this one. So we had a resistance, there is a break above, we have a support, and we have a support here. So here is a good place where we want to look for a buy from, as long as the price is around that area. That is, as long as the price is around this area, we are going to be looking for a buy here. We are going to be looking for a buy position here, expecting the bars to push us upwards towards this level. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue upwards towards the next level, which is 150.860. So the idea here is to look for buy positions from within this area, expecting the bars to push us upwards with our first target at this price. The next target is at this price here. So that is my opinion on that chart. The other chart is the AUDUSD. So with the AUDUSD so far, we are actually expecting the same thing to happen on NZD-USD. These two instruments are moving in the same direction. So we do have a very good support here. This is actually a resistance, not a support. So it was a support in the past, but currently it's a very good resistance. So if the price can move up and touch this line, we don't expect it to break above it. So when the price gets to this point, when it falls around that area, we want to see a breaker, a rebound from it, so that we can pick a sell position, expecting the sellers to push us downwards with our target at this price, 0.64541. If this is broken, then our next target is this. So you either wait for a sell within this area, expecting the sellers to push us down up to this point. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.